Hello, welcome to Hypermotive. This is our 2019 Range Rover Vogue SE, finished in Carpathian grey metallic. Has 22-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, all with matching Pirelli Scorpion Zeros, brand new. Inside, Ebony perforated leather Windsor seats. This car has the Driver Pro pack, which includes adaptive cruise control. It's a panoramic sunshine roof. Has a heated steering wheel. Has electric memory heated front seats. Some Meridian surround sound system. Has soft closed doors. Has heated rear seats. It's a facelift model from 2018 onwards. It's the privacy glass. This car's a genuine one-owner car and covered under 15,000 miles from new. Able to view on our website. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. We can arrange finance and we also take any part exchange. Thank you for watching.